Hi Pisces, welcome to Third Eye Tarot. This is going to be a reading for the second half of June 2025 or for whenever you find it. Let's get started. Hey Spirit, please do messages for Pisces highest good. Thank you. So welcome back Pisces. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much. So happy to have you here. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I like to get one overall theme from the Wild Unknown archetype and read from the book. I think it's beautifully written. This is for Pisces. Thank you, Spirit. Hope you're having a good start to your summer season, Pisces. We'll be coming into the summer solstice shortly. Today you have Aletheia, I think is how it's pronounced. Scorpio also had this card, so there could be some connection between you and a Scorpio. Let's see, Aletheia, page 221. Our soul recognizes the truth. When someone speaks it, a cool wave of relief washes over the room, and all the facts and figures in the world fall by the wayside. Such is the power of Aletheia. It has an undeniable resonance that goes beyond the rational. We can also recognize Aletheia by its contagiousness. When we hear someone speak the truth, we see the truth within ourselves and are more likely to tell our own story. The Aletheia card requires us to step toward an act of truth. This might look like a conversation, a gesture, a poetic act, or a ritual that honors the unveiling of what's been concealed. Reclaiming your own truth is a way to reclaim your vital energy, health, and sense of belonging in the world. Truth has its own wings. Set it free. Are you sitting on some truth that needs to be spoken? Or maybe this is somebody thinking about you, Pisces, and they're getting ready to cough it up. Let's see. All right, let's open with the Golden Tarot for Pisces today. On the cut, we have the Three of Coins, but in this particular depiction, there are 5 people. Here, I'll hold it in this hand so you can actually see it. The lighting in this room is a little challenging at the moment. We have Virgo energy on the other side. That is, of course, polarity to you, the Hermit. Going within, searching one's soul on who to collaborate with, apparently, or searching one's soul on how to communicate some truth in order for a collaboration to even happen. This is for Pisces. Thank you, Spirit. Knight of Cups, riding in with that offer. That would be heart on the sleeve. That's coming from an emotionally vulnerable place, perhaps. Wow, 10 of Cups. But in order to get it, you got to risk something, right? Risk putting yourself out there, Pisces. Or this is how someone's feeling about you. Flip it if you need to. Yeah, they're like going back and forth. Like, should I? Shouldn't I? 2 of Pentacles. All right, Pisces energy. Thank you, Spirit. Should I or shouldn't I communicate? Boom, 8 of Wands. That, my dear, is communication. Rapid. Fire energy coming in swiftly, passionately. It's known as the arrows of love. So somebody's getting ready to release communication. This is for Pisces. Thank you, Spirit. Goodness. 3 of Pentacles is back on the bottom of the deck. Empress hit my lap on its side. We'll put her in the, in the upright for the sake of the reading, but this is divine feminine energy. So I guess if somebody's trying to approach divine feminine energy, it is a little intimidating. 7 of Swords, though, also came out, which is sneaky, deceptive energy. Although it could just be that someone's strategizing. It could just be acting as a card of strategy, right? Let's see. Let's not get ahead of ourselves. Let's see what comes out for Pisces. Thank you, Spirit. Death energy on the bottom of the deck. So yes, you could have Scorpio in your chart, or maybe you're interacting with a Scorpio. 7 of coins or 7 of pentacles coming after the 7 of swords. So 77 showing up in your reading. King of swords, decision made. Time to cough up that truth. That's Gemini, Libra, Aquarius energy with the sword representing the air element and the air signs. Doesn't have to be one of those signs. It's just somebody who's made a firm decision and is going to communicate that. We have the World coming under the Empress. It's like she's this, the whole world, or maybe this is someone that someone's seeing on the internet, you know, the World Wide Web. This could be through a portal. You see how like she's like in this mirror, or this, it feels to me like this portal, and she's very protective of those children, all of the children under her cloak there. So there might be a whole lot of children involved in this scenario. I mean, the Empress would have children. She is a mother. She's almost always depicted as pregnant or holding a baby. Here she is both. She's eternally birthing into existence new beautiful things. She's divine feminine energy. She's a portal. She connects the world of spirit to the world of the tangible 3D, where we get to, you know, hug and kiss and eat yummy food and different physical activities that are fun. In any case, messages for Pisces. Thank you, Spirit. Eight of coins is coming under the 7 of swords. So it's giving me like while someone's at work, they're like devising this plan of how to get into the castle walls. Apparently we have 10 of Pentacles on the bottom of the deck, so it's like they are very decided on where they want to be. It's just how to get there. They feel sort of stuck, I'd say, at the moment with the 7 of coins that's here. Maybe they're waiting for a return on investment. Another 7 of wands is coming under the 7 of coins, waiting on a return on investment. Money could be some sort of a blockage here, like needing more resources, or maybe this is drawing a firm boundary with someone where we didn't see a return on investment. The 7 of wands here certainly has the advantage, right? They have the higher ground. 4 of swords on the bottom of the deck as I pause. That's resting and recovering after the 3 of swords. So for me, that's every single morning, a deep breathing meditation. I highly recommend at least 10 minutes to clear the mind. It's amazing. The Hermit on those words. So yeah, getting quiet, going within, searching one's own soul, even if that's just 10 minutes of deep breathing. It connects you to the bigger brain, so it helps you to think clearly. Bottom of the deck is the 3 of wands. In this deck, you can literally see, I mean, look at how big that ship is. Like, you see your ships arriving, and look at the body language of this person. He's like leaning forward. He's like, oh my God, it's right there on the horizon. It's just on the precipice. This collaboration, 2 3s, by the way. But I'm not reading it as a third party. I'm literally seeing this as somebody who's trying to figure out how to collaborate with somebody, and it's their happiness, sun, under that. They feel blocked at the moment. Two of Swords, but under that is the Ace of Swords. So apparently some sort of an epiphany or an idea is going to dawn on them, and they're going to realize, oh, this is how I do it. Right, okay. Clarify with, I heard ethereal vision, so sure, fine. Everybody seems to be getting this deck. A lot of signs have gotten this deck this go around, but Ace of Pentacles with the Chariot. Okay, we'll take it. That's nice. So yeah, somebody flying in, swooping in, driving, whatever, getting in their chariot to bring in this offer, this Ace of Pentacles. Something that's actually substantial. Okay, Pentacle energy deals with the earth plane. So it's an investment. It's a proper investment. It shows the recipient of that Ace of Pentacles that the person's actually serious. Yeah. Pisces, there you are, the Hanged Man. This is your major arcana. So whether you're giving this Ace of Pentacles or receiving it, or maybe not receiving it, because you could always turn it down. Just saying. Why would you turn it down? You could always have like your walls up, 9 of Wands there. So, you know, deflecting the Ace of Pentacles that's trying to come in. But, you know, hey, maybe you don't want it for one reason or another. Or maybe you're just tied, or whoever this energy of the 9 of Wands, like, has just been so used to fighting for so long that they're a little blocked to offers. Look, their face is even turned in another direction. It's like they don't even see it coming or something. This is the wounded warrior, right? This person's been through the battle. They're still standing, though. They're just bandaged. They're not beaten, right? So in any case, let's continue. Clarity on the spread for Pisces. Thank you. Yeah, so the wounded warrior, 9 of Wands, fire energy. It could be somebody who is in the military for something. Or it could just be, you know, life has been the school of hard knocks and you've had to continuously lift yourself up and propel yourself forward over and over again. And really, who's going to do it for you, right? So you have to be your own cheerleader and star player. 5 of Swords, mental mind games, self-sabotaging thought patterns. 4 of Wands on the bottom of the deck. Good Lord, why is this clarifying the Empress? Can we have another one on the Empress? Why is the 5 of Swords clarifying the Empress? This is no bueno. I mean, it definitely raises the eyebrow that the 7 of Swords is the next card to clarify. Maybe this is a toxic mother figure. Why is the 5 of Swords clarifying the 5 of... Excuse me. The High Priestess. This is, listen to your intuition here. 3 of Swords. King of Swords. 3 of Swords is on the bottom. I lifted it up to show you, and there's the King of Swords, which is already on the table. It's time to take definitive action to cut someone out that you know is toxic, Pisces. I mean, 7 of Swords is the next card to clarify, right? Trust your intuition, darling. The High Priestess. Your intuition is spot on, right? I mean, Pisces, this is your major arcana, the High Priestess. Clarify the 7 of Swords, please. Now I'm definitely suspicious of this 7 of Swords now that the 5 of Swords has shown itself. I was trying to give it the benefit of the doubt and say maybe they're just, you know, strategizing. Well, and maybe they are. Or maybe whatever they, you know, if they were up to no good, it backfires. But we have the 8 of Wands. Communication. Coming at a feminine energy. This is the well. It's unique to this deck. It's the well of inspiration. Okay, so like a muse type energy. 7 of Coins is next. This is a slow return on investment. You have 777 in your reading. Did I already tell you that? Clarifying the 7 of coins is the 9 of swords. Somebody is wrought with anxiety. I mean, they can't even sleep. Page of swords on the bottom of the deck. It's like they just keep watching. There's so much anxiety. There's like all this watching energy, and it's like they feel stuck though. And so it's causing them a lot of anxiety. King of Swords is next. Clarify the King of Swords. Thank you, Spirit. Five of Cups. So this masculine is holding a lot of heavy emotions inside of them. Queen of Wands on the bottom of the deck. This is Leo, Sagittarius, Aries energy, but it doesn't have to be one of those signs. And of course, someone could have that anywhere in their chart. This is the sexy queen of the deck. She's got it going on. She feels good in her skin. She catches a lot of attention. And it's like somebody's just like watching this Queen of Wands like living her best life, and it's causing them a lot of heavy emotional energy. Okay, so the World, clarify the World. Oh, for goodness sakes, something. It's the Justice. Major Arcana for Libra. With the Hierophant. So this could be a marriage for sure, that somebody feels like they dropped the ball in some significant way, and now they're like out in the dark and they can't even see a way back in, right? The Moon on the bottom of the deck, which is another one of your major arcana, Pisces. Eight of Coins. Clarify the Eight of Coins for Pisces. Thank you, Spirit. To the floor again. Okay. Two of Wands on the bottom of the deck. Eight of Cups. So another 8. We're clarifying the 8 of Pentacles, and you have the 8 of Cups. So 88. Oh, and you have the 8 of Wands above it. The 8 of Wands clarified the 7 of Swords. So 888, which is a number of abundance, I do believe. I mean, look it up and, you know, confirm that. But 2 of Wands. Oh, it's like somebody had... I feel like somebody walked away, but they didn't really want to or something. They had to, because they were discovered for being like shysty, up to no good. Something got exposed here to leave somebody feeling like that. Right? And apparently it's connected to this masculine energy. 7 of Wands. So now there's a firm boundary, and I feel like they're like, damn it, how do I cross that boundary? But I don't know, sir. I guess it's too little too late. Clarify the 7 of Wands for Pisces. Thank you, Spirit. Eight of Swords. I don't know how to bridge this distance. I don't know how to get unstuck. I don't know how to get through this barricade, but gosh, do I love her. This is giving, don't know what you have until it's gone. Virgo energy next of the Hermit. Somebody's getting really quiet and going within and searching their soul about how they can overcome this barricade is what I'm seeing here. Clarify the Hermit, please, for Pisces. Thank you. Wheel of Fortune. Wow, Ace of Wands. The Well is officially here. And oh my God, they dropped these off too. 5 of Wands on the bottom deck. A lot of 5s. A lot of repeating numbers in general. We have Five of Swords, Five of Cups, Five of Wands, Seven of Swords, Seven of Pentacles, Seven of Wands, Eight of Cups, Eight of Pentacles, Eight of Wands. So 888, 555, and 777. In any case, it's a whole lot of fighting, a whole lot of freaking drama. But honestly, I mean, we opened up with the Empress today. And the Empress, listen, Empress is not going to fight. If somebody wants to come in with the Five of Swords and be like drama filled, she's just going to withdraw her energy. She's not going to waste a precious drop of her essence engaging in a fight. She's just going to withdraw her energy altogether. The Hermit is being clarified by the King of Wands. Leo, Sagittarius, Aries, the Three of Cups. Reunited, feels so good. That's what they're singing. That's what they would like. It feels so good. Ace of Wands. Yeah, okay. I don't know about that, though. The Well of Inspiration is officially here, and the Wheel of Fortune. So they're hoping for a turnaround. Pisces, I don't know. Are you on the receiving end of this or the giving end? Find your place in the story. Let's get some Burning Heart Love Oracle. If it's your story, it might not be your story, and never force a free tarot reading to fit your life, for crying out loud. If you would like a private reading to get into the details of your life experience, the information on how to contact me is in the description box. Just click on the title to the video. It'll pull it down for you. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, please do that and hit the thumbs up button. It really does help. I can't let you go. Well, yeah, that just sums up this entire reading, doesn't it? I don't want to be toxic anymore. Oh, somebody's learned their lesson, or at least they're trying. Listen, they're trying. It all starts with an awareness, right? Because if you're not even aware of your behavior, then how can you ever change your behavior? Or why would you even want to? Because you're not even aware of it. In any case, let's get some Hidden Truth Oracle for Pisces. Thank you, Spirit. Yeah, so hit that thumbs up button, please. Yes, definitely do that. It really does help. Thank you so much. I want you. Oh. That's not impressive, though. I mean, it's just lust energy. It's like, wow, okay, and I hope that you can forgive me one day. Yeah, apparently. Some Moonology, please, for Pisces. Thank you, Spirit. A personal issue reaches resolution. Full moon in Cancer, and you're very close to achieving your goal. Gibbous moon energy. Angels and ancestors for Pisces. Thank you. Magic Guardian, unlock the magic within. Sky Father, trust in the unknown. Well, that's faith, right? Now I have that George Michael song in my head. Because you gotta have faith, faith, faith. Haven't heard that in years. A couple of cards from the Oracle of the Seven Energies, please. For Pisces, thank you, Spirit. Awakening Genius, I love this card. And this is the energy of connecting your small micro mind to the bigger macro mind, and thus awakening genius. Because then they can flow all of these fabulous, inspirational ideas into me, I see. So yeah, I mean, we are the micro to the macro. So going within connects us to the bigger being. 10 minutes of daily deep breathing, darling. Highly recommend it. Spirit of the Animal Oracle card for Pisces. Thank you, Spirit. Elk, nobility. Celebrate your accomplishments with humility. You are crowned with success. Powerful forces guide you. Your ability to conquer challenges is limitless. Okay, then. Whatever challenge is before you, head high. You've got this. Star code Astro card, please, for Pisces. Uranus, change. And transits, climate. The astrological climate is going to get a little wonky. We're coming into a Mercury retrograde. June 30th is the first day of the pre-shadow. If I haven't already mentioned that, not sure. When I'm channeling messages, it's just a flowing river. It's coming through and then it's gone. And I have to rewatch these videos if I actually want to remember. We have wings, rising above money issues, business taking off, profit, spiritual work, life purpose, and mission. It's interesting that you should get spiritual work and feeling a calling on your life, feeling a mission, life purpose, right? Because you also have Buddha. Life purpose, more than money, spiritual wealth, counselor, being guided, and divine path. Most excellent. Okay, let's get some dolphins for Pisces. Thank you, Spirit. These are my dolphin cards, Pisces. They are decades old, very well loved. I've had them since I was a teenager, so they're a little beat up, but we're still gonna dig in. We have crystalline structures. See, it's kind of, I don't even know what happened to that card, but anyway, entering new dimensions and deep dive. That would be that Hermit card, going within for a deep dive. Okay, let's get some charms for Pisces. Well, you have Virgo energy coming through. I'm not sure that you'll be able to see that, but it is Virgo's energy, and it even says Virgo on it, which of course is polarity to you on the zodiac wheel, and the Hermit card is a card of Virgo. We have Live Your Dream. Again, the lighting kind of is a little off for being able to show you these, but we have the Star card in metallic charm form, so a wish come true. Oh my gosh. And then you have the word wish. Can you see that? Oh God, I hope you can see that. Literally, a wish is being granted. So that's awesome. And then we have this little squirrel. Squirrels always remind me of, like, you know, putting some away for later, like saving some for later, like type energy. But do look up the totem meaning behind squirrel. There might be an additional message for you there. All right, let's get a blessing for Pisces before we close out. Thank you, Spirit. Remember, you opened up with the Truth card today. Somebody has some truth they need to express to you, or this is something that you're cooking on and stewing on and needing to express, right? This is for Pisces. Holy cow, Pisces. Do you really need all of those, or can we just take these two? Okay, because this is a lot. This is, yeah, I think these two are not. Okay, so we have a blessing on a battle that cannot be avoided on the bottom of the deck. Yeah, maybe that's why somebody's like super stressful, because they know wow. Okay, a battle that cannot be avoided. That would make sense about this Five of Swords. Oh my goodness. So yeah, there you go. A blessing for support. That's nice. We like that. And a blessing on a home. And I love that. That's beautiful. Hope you do too. And if you did, please hit that thumbs up button. Until next time, Pisces, take it easy. Bye.